Tour de Fleece. It's Tour de Fleece challenge day, and for my challenge I will support spindle ply my hand spindled yellow sari silk. I mean, look at it again. This is sari silk mixed with mulberry, but still, wow, it is so nice. This is my last piece of yellow mulberry silk. I actually kept a little bit of the mulberry silk fluff and sari silk, mulberry silk mix fluff in case accidents happen. I just finished drop spindling this mulberry silk and transfer it to this bobbin now. I'm gonna do that inside because it starts raining and it's cool. I guess summer is over in Switzerland, at least for today. I show you my hack, how I do this very fast. Those little bobbins actually don't fit my wheel. The big bobbins go on this wheel. This is yak and camel I started spinning a while ago. It's beautiful, isn't it? Anyway, back to this bobbin. It doesn't fit the wheel, so I can't spin with this bobbin on this wheel, and that's the wheel I have. I once bought the wrong bobbins for it, and now I just use it for drop spindling purposes. But what I do to wind it up, I mean, you can't wind up yarn anyway if the flyer is on, so it has to go on without the flyer. For this I use a bamboo knitting needle, put it through the bobbin, put it on my wheel like so, that it doesn't fall off once I pedal. I put a clothespin and a clothespin here, connect my wheel to it, and then basically I can connect my yarn from the spindle and load it to the bobbin like this. Woohoo! There is my knitting needle, secured with clothespins. Everything is secure. I can turn the pedal as wild as I want. The bobbin will not fall off the wheel. Now I'm connecting the drop spindle with the thread that's already on the bobbin. Okay. All connected. Now I just start pedaling. Ready to 3-ply on the supported spindle. It's beautiful, isn't it? It's actually merino cashmere camel yak, and I made a short for this fiber because it's so beautiful. Merino cashmere camel yak. This is my supported spindle. It's made out of cherry wood, and the same woman that gave me the 3 kilo white silk gave me this supported spindle, just like that. I feel like I'm holding a sword or something. Let's see if I give up or if I push through. All I know is I have to spin counterclockwise. I don't even know how I'm supposed to hold this. How do I put it back on? Or maybe it has to come on top of it. Ah, okay. But how do I turn it? I can turn it like this and the thread leaves on the top and then gets twisted. Now I can't let my stuff go. Oh my God. Oh no. Oh no, no, no. It's already twisting. Please hold. I mean, it's plying, but I don't know how to do this in a fast fashion here. Ah, okay, I think I'm getting somewhere. All right, now this is plied. Oops, maybe I don't even need this thing. Yeah, I guess something like that. It's a fucking nightmare. I don't know if I should sit or kneel or cry. Oh my God. All right, it's actually not so difficult. I just have to get into the rhythm. I'm turning this counterclockwise here on this side here. Nothing happens. Definitely not the easiest thing I've done, but it's plied. I can't get the camera closer right now. I think I have to be higher than the spindle with my hand. Turn the spindle clockwise, hold the spindle, wait till it's ply, roll it up, pull more thread. I probably don't even have to hold it. Yeah, I don't have to hold it. Cool. Oh, now, oh my God, now it wrapped. I have to undo this real quick. That's the good thing, you can undo stuff. Okay, it got tangled up. All right, one more time. I think you have to be really careful not to over-ply it. All right, then to roll it up, you have to roll it open. Then you can see if the ply is nice, I think. 1, 2, 3. Oh, no. Stop. See, now it tangled up again. That I have to be careful that doesn't happen. Okay. This might take a while. Hey, but I really have the feeling once I figure this out, this can be very fast. That's how it looks right now. I'm gonna practice a little, then be back when I master it. I hope that will be soon. Yeah. I understand supported spindles more now though. I understand the long draft that happens when you do it not plying but spinning, which I'm thankful for. Maybe a tiny supported spindle would be good to start with. I don't think I'm going to do the entire yarn like this. I'm just not good enough. Alrighty. Okay. Also, the turning counterclockwise is less I mean, if I would have to turn clockwise, it would be easier somehow with the right hand. And how are you supposed to wind that up so it doesn't look so messy? If anybody of you has done that before, please let me know and lead me into the right direction. I'm sorry to disappoint, but it's just ugly wound up. I will break the yarn here and do the rest of my spinning wheel, and then we can compare the quality afterwards.
Oh, that feels good. That feels good. My good old wheel. Is it nice?
The sun is back out again, and that's perfect to show that shininess. Here is the bobbin. I mean, look at it. This is sari silk, 3-ply. And this is my supported spindles part of it. Actually, I wanted to do all of it. I failed in that one, but I challenged myself. It was a challenge. It is 6.1 grams and 18.5 meters. And actually it doesn't look so bad. Quality-wise, I would say it's very similar or the same. It just needs some practice. Maybe one day I will be able to do a big chunk like this on the supported spindle, if I keep practicing. which I should. I think it's very elegant to see people that support spindle. Niddy nutty. It's 117 wraps. It's 63 grams and 180 meters, which is 196 yards. Now, you have to think about this. I hand spindled this. That's over half a kilometer. Actually, counting in the small skein, it's 198.5 meters, 217 yards. I still have yellow silk left here. Whatever. The yarn is really beautiful. I really like my choice of plying it with a yellow mulberry silk. I like it, in fact, so much that I think about applying my bright mix. This is about 100 grams, not with each other, but with one single of the white mulberry silk. I think that would be really nice, and it would give me more yarn. It would give me double the yarn because I would spin up another single. So I would have 4 bobbins. Something is biting me. I would have 4 bobbins of the bright mix, which is so lovely. And that would be definitely enough for a bigger garment, I think. I first will spin a sample with the white ply and then decide. I haven't washed ever sari silk before, so what I will do first is wash my blue sample and see how much it bleeds. And also with the last rinse, add a little bit of white vinegar, which fastens the color. Say something, it's beautiful, right? It's so soft too. Wow. You know, if it wouldn't be for Tour de Fleece, I think I would have never gotten into this craziness. I'm so happy I participated. Never mind the church bells. Next to this huge supported spindle, I have 2 tiny ones now. They're very cute. And on the next challenge day, the 20th of July, I will try spin. Not ply, but spin with those tiny support spindles. So check back for that. Please subscribe, like, share, comment, or watch how I carded the sari silk. If you like to work out while spinning during Tour de Fleece, watch this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I see you soon.